Flex is a diversified manufacturer that helps global brands bring their products to life. We partner with customers at every stage of the product lifecycle, from prototyping to manufacturing to end of life. At Althofen, we produce more than 500 different products for our medical, automotive, and industrial customers. Our focus on automation technologies can be seen in innovations like Lisa, our avatar-based line stop assistant, which supports our operators around the clock. Our Flex Pulse system helps us to keep on top of supply chain complexity. Through real-time visibility of the entire supply chain, our team can anticipate problems before they occur and quickly take action to maintain the flow of materials and finished goods. Flex in Althofen was our first factory to be recognized as an Industry 4.0 Global Lighthouse Network Factory by the World Economic Forum. Continuous improvement remains the goal in our production processes as our teams continually assess areas for improvement on the shop floor. Sustainability is in our DNA. In Althofen, we accelerate our customers' journey to sustainable product design and carbon-neutral manufacturing. Using Industry 4.0 technologies, digitization, and automation helps us to better manage waste during production, while continuously monitoring energy and water consumption in real time. 100% of our electricity in Althofen is generated from renewable energy sources. In our apprentice center, we educate tomorrow's specialists and leaders and support them as they advance their careers. Flex attracts, develops, and retains the industry's best makers, innovators, and leaders who collaborate to resolve complex customer challenges using innovative engineering solutions. Together, let's create the extraordinary.